A light touch. Problematic content abounds in the digital space, but regulation must be sagacious. Means there are many things which cause problems in the net, and to overcome that, we should come up with a wise rule. The government has in recent days that twice signaled that the more rules to tackle problems of unlawful content and harm-causing disinformation is in the digital media space are in the offing. So the government said that we are coming up with new rules to control the problems which are occurring due to the use of social media. On Monday, in an affidavit filed in the case involving Sudarshan TV responding to the Supreme Court's call for suggestion to improve the self-regulatory mechanism for electronic media, the center said that the regulation of web-based digital media is the need of the hour instead. Um, on Monday, a case has been filed, and a case has been filed. This case involves the channel Sudarshan TV. So the Supreme Court told this gave an advice to this channel saying that you need to improve the control over your social media. So and it also said that controlling the social media is the need of the hour, and we need to do it immediately. And after that, the channel has agreed with them and said that yes, of course, the all the social media could spread venomous hatred, means intense dislike against someone. It could also spread that. On the same day, the Minister of State Electronics and IT, Sanjay Dhotre, said in a written reply to the Lok Sabha that his ministry is working to amend the Information Technology Rules 2011 to make intermediaries more responsive and accountable. So the minister of state for the IT and electronics department, Sanjay Dhotre, said that we are coming with that they were coming up with some new rules to stop all the problems which are happening in the internet right now, and those rules will make the internet more reliable. It is difficult to disagree with the view that internet is a space where finding truthful facts can be often challenging, and that polarizing opinion, hate speech, and disinformation abound. Many lives have been lost to such disinformation-fueled violence in India in the recent years. But it is also not difficult to agree with the view that more rules are an answer to an age-old problem, only now amplified by technology-based platforms. That more regulation will solve this is a fanciful idea. So, if we may think that the best way to solve this problem is by increasing the rules, so that everyone have some limited have some limits, and that they cannot say what they want. But if we observe it closely, internet is a place where anyone can say what they want. We can't stop them, and that's their right, because that's their right. And if we think that if by increasing the number of rules we can stop these problems, then we must be fools, because that will only worsen the problem. Mainly because of the high technology which is present right now. For one, the laws to tackle incendiary content and hate speech that fuels violence are already in place. So, to laws to control the to law to so the laws to control the provoking content and wrong information are already developed. What is seen lacking is the will to uniformly apply these rules irrespective of the political affiliations. The flip side is that the net is a place where there is a free sharing of information and ideas. So the laws have been developed, but the problem is that everybody is not applying these laws properly, and in addition to that, they are also involved in politics. So the question worth the flip side, and the other side of this problem is that internet is a space where everyone can say what they want. So the question worth asking is it if it is possible to even ever regulate the internet without throttling it like China has done? Means now the main question that we need to solve this problem is that can we even control the internet without even banning it like China has done? The fear that bringing more rules is an euphemism for censorship cannot be brushed away. These questions are all the more important because there has been a wave of investments in the digital in the digital media in a digital news media space in recent years. So if we increase the number of rules, what it will just do is that it will censor everybody. Then what is the use of social media if everyone can say what they want? And this problem is even aggravating these days because of the technology, as I said. Because many companies have been investing, and many companies have been investing, and if we introduce more rules, they will get offended. A large number of these media sites and magazines pursue legitimate journalism initiatives which not only have the proper mechanisms to deliver but also operate with a high degree of accountability. So many of these channels or many of this or many of the content creators in social media, um, many of the information which they give to the other people, they are not exact. People don't understand them in the right way. They understand them in the wrong way. And the thing which aggravates this situation even more is that nowadays these social media and these content creators have become even more dependable. They have become more trustworthy and more reliable. So they are more reliable, and they are giving wrong information. Attempts at making new rules of intermediaries such as Google and Facebook need to be well thought out and measured. So, to introduce more rules to control the issues in the social media like Google and Facebook, the rules should be very wiseful and very thought. Earlier attempts at imposing a high degree of liability on them for content posted on their platforms have not survived legal scrutiny, with Section 79 of the IT Act 2000 giving them some immunity in this regard. So, before some time, um, um, the some laws have been developed and they have been checked on the social medias like Google and Facebook. The according to the laws, the Facebook and Google are not following some of them, but they have been given immunity, or for that one or that for that one for that one situation they have been left, because they have gained immunity from this act, from the IT Act 2002, from the IT Act 2000, they have gained immunity, and due to that reason, the issue did not grow. An intervention that is light and well considered is what will work. So right now we need a law which does not include many rules but still is very efficient. So that's the type of law which we need right now. Thank you.